Tired of QuickBooks' rising prices and clunky interface? You're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the best QuickBooks alternatives in 2026 and why thousands of businesses are switching to Xero. QuickBooks has been the accounting standard for years, but it's not perfect. The costs keep climbing, the interface feels dated, and for many small businesses, you're paying for features you'll never use. So what are your options? Let's start with the clear winner, Xero. Xero offers 3 simple pricing tiers starting at around $15 per month, significantly less than QuickBooks, with no hidden fees or surprise price hikes. But price isn't everything. What makes Xero special is its beautiful, intuitive interface. Everything is where you'd expect it to be. Bank reconciliation? It's automatic and actually works. Invoicing? Professional templates that you can customize in seconds. Mobile app? One of the best in the business. Unlimited users on all plans? Yes, even the cheapest tier. And here's the real game changer. Xero connects with over 1,000 third-party apps. Your CRM, your e-commerce platform, your payment processor, they all talk to each other seamlessly. For small to medium businesses, especially those with remote teams or multiple collaborators, Xero is hands down the best QuickBooks alternative. Other alternatives. Now, Xero isn't the only option. Let me quickly run through a few others. FreshBooks. Perfect if you're a freelancer or consultant who bills by the hour. The time tracking is excellent, but it doesn't scale well for larger operations. Wave, completely free accounting software. Great for solopreneurs just starting out, but limited features and you'll pay for payroll separately. Zoho Books, best if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem. Good value, but the interface can feel overwhelming. Sage Business Cloud, a solid option for growing businesses, but pricier than Xero with a steeper learning curve. When you put them side by side, Xero consistently wins on price-to-feature ratio, user experience, unlimited users, third-party integrations, customer support quality, and mobile functionality. Migration tip. Worried about switching? Don't be. Xero has a dedicated migration team, and most businesses complete the switch in just a few hours. You can even run both systems in parallel while you transition. Xero offers a 30-day free trial, no credit card required. I've put a link in the description below. Try it out, import your data, and see if it's the QuickBooks alternative you've been looking for. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which accounting software you're using. Thanks for watching.